Hello and welcome to Speak English Like a Native. Today's lesson is about how to fill in a form and how to give personal information. This photo in front of you is an example of a form that you would meet when you go through any official procedure. First of all, we need to know what is a form. A form is a document where you write your personal information when you, for example, apply for a job, register for a school or course, open a bank account, or completing any official procedures. A form usually asks for information like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your address, your phone number, your email address, your nationality, occupation, signature, etc. The first kind of information that you will be asked to fill in a form is your first name and your last name. For example, if your name is Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi, your first name will be Cristiano or Lionel, and your last name will be Ronaldo or Messi. And the last name can be found as family name or surname. So last name, family name, surname, all are the same thing. If you want to ask someone about his first name or last name, you would use these forms. What's your first name? What's your last name? Signature. What is signature? Signature is a unique form of your name. You are the only one who can write it that way. You can find these phrases in the form like sign here please or please write your signature. And this is an example of a signature. Another thing you would find in a form is print your name. Print your name. Printing your name is typing your name in a very clear way using very obvious letters, like the one in this image. One more thing you would find in a form is type your signature. Type. And the word type is writing but on a keyboard. So you only find the word type in documents that you sign electronically or on a computer like this picture. The address. There are some information you need to provide in your address. Your house number, your street name, your apartment number, the floor you live in, the district or area, your city, your country, and the postcode or ZIP code. For example, this person lives in apartment 10, third floor, 25 Nile Street, Doki, Cairo, Egypt. Apartment 10 is the apartment number. Apartment 10 is the apartment number. Third floor is the floor you live in. 25 is the house number. Nile Street is the name of the street. Doki is the district or area. Cairo is the city. Egypt is the country. And this is an example of postcode 12589C. If you want to ask someone about his address, you say, what is your address? What is your address? And the answer would be, my address is. The next thing you would find in a form is the date of birth or DOB. The date of birth is the day you were born in. If you want to ask someone about the day he was born in, you ask him when you were born or what's your date of birth. And the answer would be, I was born on, and the date of his birth. For example, I was born on March 15th, 1990, or my date of birth is 15th of March 1990. The next thing you would be asked to fill in a form is your phone number. If you want to ask someone about his phone number, you say, "What's your phone number? What's your phone number?" And the answer would be, "My phone number is." The next thing you'd find in a form is the gender. The gender is if you are male or female. If you are a boy or a man, you are a male. If you are a lady, a girl, or a woman, you are a female. The next thing is the marital status. Marital status comes from the word marry. And this is a question about if you are single, married, divorced, or widowed. The single person who is not married, he has no wife or she has no husband. And the married one, which has a husband or wife. The divorced person was married before, but he and his wife got separated, so they are divorced. And the widowed person who his partner has died. The next thing you would find is the nationality, and the nationality is the country you belong to, the country you live in or you were born in. If you want to ask someone about his nationality, you say, "What is your nationality? What is your nationality?" And I'm Egyptian, so I say I am Egyptian. I'm Indian, I am American if I'm from the United States, I'm Canadian, and so on. The next thing is occupation or job, and that's what you work. You ask about occupation by saying, "What is your occupation?" And the answer would be, "I am a," for example, "I am a teacher, I am an engineer, I am a doctor, I'm a taxi driver," and so on. The next kind of information is email address. And to ask someone about his email address, you ask, "What is your email address? What is your email address?" And the answer would be, for example, "My email address is m.ali@gmail.com." The next thing, and I think this is the last one, is the identification information. Identification information. For example, the passport number or the national ID number. I think we covered everything you would find in a form, and now you can fill a form easily. You can use this as an exercise and try to fill this form about yourself and your information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.